Welcome to Creating and Viewing Files. In this lesson, you'll learn essential commands for working with files in Mac and Linux terminals. You'll discover how to create empty files, view file contents, peek at the beginning or end of files, and navigate through long files efficiently. These commands are fundamental for any terminal work. The touch command creates empty files or updates the modification time of existing files. Simply type touch followed by a file name. If the file doesn't exist, touch creates it. You can create multiple files at once by listing them after touch. The touch command is also useful for updating the modification timestamp of existing files without changing their contents. The cat command displays the entire contents of a file. Type cat followed by the file name to see everything. Cat stands for concatenate and is perfect for viewing small files quickly. You can also use cat to combine multiple files by listing them one after another. Cat will display all the files in sequence. However, for larger files, cat will dump everything at once, which can be overwhelming. That's when you'll want to use other tools like less or more for better navigation. The head command shows the beginning of a file. By default, it shows the first 10 lines, which is perfect for getting a quick preview. Use head-n followed by a number to specify exactly how many lines you want to see from the top. This is useful when you want to check the start of configuration files or data files. The tail command shows the end of a file, also defaulting to 10 lines. This is particularly useful for log files where the most recent entries are at the bottom. Use tail-n followed by a number for a custom count of lines from the end. The powerful tail-f command follows a file in real time, showing new lines as they're added to the file. This is perfect for monitoring log files, watching output from running processes, or tracking changes to files. The -f stands for follow, and it will continuously update the display. Press Ctrl-C to stop following the file. This is one of the most useful commands for system administration and debugging. For long files, cat isn't practical because it dumps everything at once. Use less or more to view files page by page interactively. Both commands let you scroll through files one screen at a time, making it much easier to read large files. Less is more powerful and is preferred on most modern systems. In less, you can use arrow keys to navigate line by line, or the spacebar to go down a full page. Press B to go back up a page, and Q to quit. Less also supports searching with the / key, and you can jump to specific line numbers. More is simpler but less feature-rich than less. It automatically pages through files, showing one screen at a time. Press spacebar for the next page, and Q to quit. More typically only allows forward navigation, while less allows you to move both forward and backward through the file. Both commands are essential for viewing. Excellent work! You now know how to create files with touch and view files using cat, head, tail, less, and more. These commands are essential for file management in Mac and Linux terminals. Practice using them to become comfortable with file operations.